Okay, this vacuum is not perfect, but hear me out. It's got some serious suction. Like when it's working right, it actually pulls up way more than I expected, and it took me a minute to actually figure it out, and I'm a professional housekeeper. So pet hair, crumbs, dust, it handles all that pretty easily. And here I'm actually vacuuming up soil. I had a plant right there. My cat dug into the plant and made a mess out of it, and so that's what I'm picking up and dropping other things around it. You do have to stay on top of this vacuum. If you don't, keep the filter empty. Keep the filter clear and empty the canister regularly. It will fall off real quick. Like it just won't suction near as well unless you've kept up with the maintenance of it. I swear it does know when to boost suction. Like it randomly goes harder on dirtier spots, which is actually kind of nice. So on low, it's actually really quiet, but on the high setting, it gives jet engine energy. It's a little loud when it's on the high setting. If you push it too hard for too long, it can seem to do this overheat thing. So just keep that in mind. It is a lightweight, cordless, stands on its own, and the height is adjustable. This is actually my friend's vacuum, and they didn't even know that you could adjust the height. So that's actually pretty funny. He was like bending over. So you can have your kids vacuum if you want to. Day to day cleaning for a small apartment or a small area, this thing is really convenient. Here's the deal though, if you want something that's super low maintenance but can handle a big job, honestly, this ain't it. If you don't mind a little upkeep, wanting a strong suction and a lightweight vacuum, it actually does get the job done for those sort of projects. It's not perfect, but it does clean, and sometimes that's all you need. So this style really works.